From Laughlin to Mesquite, Clark County owns or leases more than 250 buildings. And Clark County's Real Property Management Department is doing its part to ensure that all of these facilities are operating as greenly as possible.
We have a total of about 6 million square feet in buildings, but it's not conditioned. And that goes, anyway, it includes anywhere from the Government Center, the Regional Justice Center, to the fire stations that you see, the recreation centers that you see.
Clark County Government Center is the hub for all county departments, and all employees who work here are committed to working smarter to save energy, money, and our natural resources. Since 2004, Clark County has made a concerted effort to improve the eco-quality in all of our buildings. And in 2008, the Board of County Commissioners approved an Eco-County Initiative, a 50-page blueprint that is designed to reduce county energy consumption by 20% in the next few years.
We're doing energy audits of 25 of our buildings. When we look at our energy consumption as a county, 44% of our energy usage is actually done in our buildings. And out of that 44% of our energy consumption, 80% of it is used by our top 25 buildings, which you could argue are our energy hogs, but they also are our biggest buildings. And what we're doing is we're taking those 25 buildings, we're doing energy audits in those buildings.
With 760,000 square feet, the Regional Justice Center is the largest building in our inventory. Clark County received an energy block grant totaling about $7.6 million from the federal government last year, money that is being used to minimize energy consumption while providing comfort for customers and employees alike.
And since then, we've implemented about 65 projects. We've saved, which we estimate save about $1 million a year, and we've spent about $3 million on those projects. The bulk of those projects have been the replacement of our traffic signals with LED lights and putting some of our mechanical systems on automatic controls so that we can do automatic setbacks in our big buildings.
In many facilities, Clark County will continue to add photovoltaic systems, which capture sunlight and turns it into electricity. But smaller, myriad changes, whether changing light bulbs or automation of heating and cooling, is saving the county and taxpayers millions.
In some of our older buildings, what we've done is, first of all, we've gone through and looked at our lighting, changed that out. We've also gone through and put, we have 60 buildings now, I think I've already said that, but we have 60 buildings on our Metasys system, which is an HVAC control system, and we've put those buildings on that. Now, as a rule, if the building's under 10,000 square feet, we're not as likely to put those on our Metasys system because we're counting on our employees to do our setbacks for us.
And with more than 10,000 employees, every single person can make a difference.
Employees can actually save up to 20% of our power consumption just by different things that they do. And it's simple things like turning off computers, turning off lights. It would be like if you were in a conference room and when you walk out, turn off the light. And a lot of times people just think because we're there all day, I won't turn off the light. But if you turn it off for an hour or two, it does make a difference.
To view Clark County's Eco Initiative and learn more about how you can improve your own home's energy efficiency, visit accessclarkcounty.com.